Salesforce Certificate Pd2 Dumps. 41. A developer notices the execution of all the test methods in a class takes a long time to run, due to the initial setup of all the test data that is needed to perform the tests. What should the developer do to speed up test execution? A. Ensure proper usage of test data factory in all test methods. B. Define a method that creates test data and annotate with it create data. C. Define a method that creates test data and annotate with it test setup. D. Reduce the amount of test methods in the class. Answer. C. Define a method that creates test data and annotate with it test setup. 42. A company has a native iOS order placement app that needs to connect to Salesforce to retrieve information from many different objects in a JSON format. Which is the optimal method to implement this in Salesforce? A. Apex REST Web Service. B. Apex REST Callout. C. Apex SOAP Callout. D. Apex SOAP Web Service. Answer. A. Apex REST Web Service. 43. A developer is asked to create a Lightning Web component that will be invoked via a button on a record page. The ABC component must be displayed in a modal dialog. Which 3 steps should the developer take to achieve that? Choose 3 answers. A. In targets, add Lightning_C record action as a target. B. Set action type to Serene action. C. Add a target constant set targets to Lightning_record action. D. Set event type to action. E. In targets infigs, add Lightning_app page as a target. Answers. A. In targets, add Lightning_C record action as a target. B. Set action type to Serene action. C. Add a target constant set targets to Lightning_record action. 44. A developer implemented a custom data table in a Lightning Web component with filter functionality. How users are submitting support tickets about long load times when the filters are changed. The component uses Apex method that is called to query for records based on the selected filters. What should the developer do to improve performance of the component? A. Use a selective SOQL query with a custom index. B. Use setStorable in the Apex method to store the response in the client-side cache. C. Use SOSL to query the records on filter change. D. Return all records into a list when the component is created and filter the array in JavaScript. Answer. B. Use setStorable in the Apex method to store the response in the client-side cache. 45. A company uses an external system to manage its custom account territory assignments. Every quarter, millions of accounts may be updated in Salesforce with new owners when the territory assignments are completed in the external system. What is the optimal way to update the accounts from external system? A. Bulk API. B. SOAP API. C. Composite REST API. D. Apex REST Web Service. Answer. D. Apex REST Web Service. For more information visit this site www.salesforcestart.com.